Okay, today was a good day. Today was a good day. Mm. Today was a good day. Today was a good day. Um. Anyways, so the thing that happened today, right? Basically, right? What exactly happened today? If you look over at the last week was filled with news. There was a bank holiday on Monday. There was a bank holiday on Monday, which was right here, which we closed early. On Monday, we closed early around like 10 a.m., 12 a.m., yeah, and then we opened right here. So this was just the day. So that happened right here. So this was the day right here. So during this bank holiday, we consolidated. Now, if you know what happens during during a bank holiday, we need to get out from this range. It could happen on Tuesday or Wednesday. Usually, Tuesday is meant to also consolidate or take us out from this range. So what happened over here? We consolidated right here, and then we tapped into this order block to get out from our range after a consolidation. So when we tapped into this order block, we traded lower, right? And if you take your Fibonacci, because this is the low right here, this is the low before the expansion move lower. Let's use this right here. This order block was in premium. So we tagged into the order block and then lower prices. Also, we tagged into sorry, we didn't hit the 50%, but yeah, we just retrace any because DXY, right? For DXY, our terminals is up here basically, and all of this that DXY is doing is just basically seeking for liquidity. It created a new dealing range. The dealing range was here at that time, but then on Tuesday we went lower. On Tuesday we were going higher. So right here, this is the bullish candle on Tuesday. So, but on Tuesday we closed higher because this is the opening price right here, the midnight. So that was a bullish day. So Tuesday we wouldn't trade it. We don't trade correlations unless unless the setup is an A minus, which we'll trade. So it depends on the correlations and the high resistance liquidity run. So after we got that, because this is a dealing range, because this whole range is a dealing range from this low to this high. So we have this low right here to this high of it. Dang it. That was weird. Okay. From this low, we have it up to this high right here. So that was my dealing range over here. So I was looking, okay, any short, I want to see a retracement right here. So when price digged into this 50%, do you see it? Do you see how it is? Do you see that? 50% of this dealing range right here. Look at that. We retraced into this 50% right here, and then we headed higher. We tagged into this fair value gap right here, 1 hour fair value gap with an order block, that order block, right? So we retraced and started going lower, lower and lower. We went into this one more time. Thursday we reversed. We hit a 1 hour fair value gap, a 4 hour fair value gap. We took out this liquidity down here. And also, if you want to incorporate the stuff, you could use this fair value gap, the silver bullet model, but I don't use that. So anyways, the dealing range during this time would have been still from Friday right here to Wednesday, and that is above premium. And in premium, we tagged into a fair value gap and then we sell lower. The reason why I'm not going to use this high, because why would I use this high when this high was the last low that created this swing down? This low right here, right? I mean, this high right here is basically, when I was watching this live, I saw this, and this was a break change state of delivery, because this displacement down on the 4 hour. We go on the 4 hour, that is a market structure shift. Look at this displacement down. So I was like, okay, we've shifted market structure basically, so there's no need for higher prices. And also this sweep right here. So this is our breaker right here. You see that price tagged into that breaker right here. Then we saw lower. And this was during 18. If you look at here, this week was basically what happened during this week. If you remember, if price is truly bearish on a week, the low will be created at this time. If price is truly bearish, the low will be created at this time. What happened here? We opened at 18 for the week, and right here we opened at 18 and made the low of the week, and we also made the low of the week right here. So do you see that? So throughout this week, we were completely, the order flow was bearish. The order flow was bearish. There was no need for price to go above this high right here because the order flow is bearish. So this is the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. No need for price to go above here. The order flow is bearish. So after Tuesday confirmed the order flow by hitting the order block created at this time, any retracement up would be for selling. We retraced up and then we sold. Right here I didn't sell, but I wanted to sell because we hit my PDRA. But if you realize, Friday hit our PDRA, right? Because we created this low and then we started going up. Let's go over to the 4 hour or maybe the 1 hour. Let me show you what I mean. So now, if you look here, on Friday, we kept on pumping up during 7. Right here, this is 7. We kept on pumping up during Thursday. Here we kept on pumping up during Thursday. If this should happen, it just means 1, we could stay away, which is the best thing that we could do. The best thing we could ever do is to just stay away. If DXY is not correlating, we could just stay away and we wait for whatever we want to form. We could wait for anything. From this low to this, from this high to this low, 50%. There is a high right here, which was made around here. So how the week is right here. So it would be probable and make sense that we start selling right here because we also hit the PDRA right here. Let's go on the 4 hour. So right now, what I'm thinking for DXY is that we go to this right here, to this eye right here, to sweep out this lows right here. So as of now, what happened today was on the weekly. If we go to the weekly, we see that we have a fair value gap on the weekly. So every new week, we want to be going to the weekly time frame to be looking at what is happening for that week. We have a weekly fair value gap here. We extend it out in time. We go to the daily. What do we see? We see basically nothing but a daily fair value gap. But we'll take the weekly fair value gap because it's higher basically. So we go over to the 4 hour. What do we still see? If you look over here, price didn't even close below the weekly fair value gap. Do you see that? Price didn't close below the weekly fair value gap. So this was more confirmation on the 4 hour that this rejection right here just meant that we want higher prices, right? Align it with the 4 hour fair value gap and the daily fair value gap. So this was a point of interest for price to just basically go higher. So if we use this 2 standard deviation right here, this was the 2 standard deviation here, and then on the 1 hour, you look on the 1 hour, and price was truly bullish on the 1 hour. This was our SOB right here. Where was the low made? The low of the day was made around 18. This was our low of the day. Then during Asia, what happened during Asia? During Asia, we just came down. We didn't take out these lows, creating relative equal lows. We didn't take that out. Then we continue going higher. We continue going higher. What happened during London? During London, we just came down and just consolidated. Let's go to 15 minutes. Sorry, consolidated. Then before New York, we took our London highs and took out London lows. So that is a seek and destroy profile. Of course, we didn't take this, but as long as we take the highs and the lows before London, that would be a seek and destroy. So what happened during here? We came up, we came down, we just consolidated. If you remember, look at DXY. What happened during DXY? We hit our PDRA. On Monday, we sold. On Tuesday, what is next for Tuesday? Tuesday, we need to buy. We need to buy because one, we don't trade Tuesdays, right? I mean, we don't trade Mondays. Mondays sold, basically. That's creating more low resistance liquidity run probabilities. But we buy this because it hit our PDRA. So right now, all we're looking for is for sells on DXY and for buys for Nasdaq. So when this happens, it just means the order flow is truly bearish. We hit all our PDRA, so there's no need for price to go lower, right? Then what happened? We created an order block inside, a supercharge order block, 15-minute supercharge order block. Then this is our supercharge right here. If we use from here to here, we didn't even come down to 50%, that's fine. We use the bodies. We could enter right here, stop below here. What I did was that I actually entered right here on the 1 hour SOB with a stop below 10 a.m. So when this happens basically, and when price opens on 9:30, all you want to look for is basically any entry right here. So you enter right here, we made a Judas, we came up, we made another Judas, sweeping out this low right here and taking out this low right here. If we take out this range right here, right? Look at this. Let's take this out. If you look over here, price was sweeping this right here, right? Again, during the New York, basically. So that's also a seek and destroy, right? That's just taking this range. So we just consolidated. Then we entered 15 minutes order block. I actually took a short over here. I took my short on the 3 minutes. Let's go to 3 minutes. I took my short right over this order block right here. Took my short over here. This order block. Shorted at this lows. Originally, I wanted this lows right here, but that was against my order flow and my idea. So I should always look at DXY. That's my idea. That's my trade idea. So under 15 minutes, so I took my profit and everything. So then the 10 a.m. opened right here. Where the 10 a.m. opened, the 10 a.m. opened right here. Oh my god, it's so hot, bro. Anyways, 10 a.m. open, and I was like, okay, so if we're truly bearish or if we're truly bullish, because usually this happens, right? It just means that the 10 a.m. will make their what do you call it? Will make their um will make their manipulation basically from 10 to 10:30, and that's what happened. The manipulation was made from 10 to 10:30. This was just another entry into the 15-minute order block and also the 1 hour SOB, and then we rallied higher. And then take profit on, you know the drill, freaking daily range. So basically, the daily range I'm using right now, I'm using a 2 week daily range. So basically, all we need to be doing is we need to be doing a 2 week daily range. So think of it as this, Paul. So Paul, you need to, because you basically understand it. So think of it as this, right? If we're in a bullish day, right? Right? What you need to happen, right? Let's say this is like 2 weeks ago, right? And then the low that was made before this, you could put it like this right here, basically. And this is like 2 weeks or so, right? And then let's say this is a new week, basically, right? So this is a 2 week daily range right here. And we're looking for buys, basically. So my daily range will be from here to this high, this low. So anything I'm looking for, I'm just looking for buys. I'm looking for anything below 50%. So basically, I'm looking for here. My targets, anything above here. I could target here, or I could target right here. It's below discount, but originally I'll target right here because I'll target equilibrium. I always target equilibrium of my daily range because that will offer me pips and that will offer me my TP and also where price will likely to be reversed. What happened here? When I got stopped out, what did price do? Boom, reversed. This daily range right here, what did price do? Boom, reversed. So I'm keeping two daily ranges because right now we've just been in this range for over like going to like 3 weeks now. This is the third week. So this is the daily range from here, the all-time daily range. And then this is the daily range from like 2 weeks ago. I used this low. I didn't use this low anymore. So I used this low right here. If I could put this low, I could, but I will just put this low right here. I like that low better because if you look over here, this low was the low that took out this right here, and also confirmed the CSD. That's on the higher time frame. That's on the higher time frame. That low created the CSD right here. It is 14, so that's 2 p.m. So if you go to the 4 hour, look over here, 14. Yep. So this low created the CSD. So this is the low I'm going to be taking right here. This swing high. Well, in a lower time frame, that's a swing high. So, anyways, 1 hour. So basically, keeping it simple, yeah. Just keeping it simple. So right now, I'm just looking for longs. Basically just looking for longs. Anything I want, I just want longs, right? I'm looking for a long right now. I'm trying to look for a long right now below this fair value gap right here. I'm trying to, but 10 a.m. we have, what do you have doing 10 a.m.? I'm uploading videos right now, just uploading videos. So 10 a.m. we have, hold up, let me remove my school stuff. No, cancel. 10 a.m. we have Pow speaking. 10 a.m. If you look over here. Hold on, give me a sec. Let me use the smart money tool first. Let me use the smart money tool first. But yeah, we have tomorrow. We have Pow speaking. This is as simplified. We have Pow speaking. Yeah, 9:30. Then here we have Pow speaking too. 10:30. So basically this time isn't, let's see if this time is how do I fix this? Oh no, so it's 9:30. So I put it on my trading time. I think. So Um, so it's gonna be speaking on 9:30 tomorrow. So that'll be 10:30 my time. That'll be 10:30 my time. So that'll be 10:30 my time, which is right over here. 10:30 my time. So that's basically it. Basically, so this is just a 20-minute video. So that's basically it. All what I've gotten, like what I've gotten over with is just daily ranges, DXY. Um, what else is there? Daily ranges, DXY, time. Like time is very important, basically, because right here, if you realize and look at your notes right here, this day was created. This high right here is the high of the day, basically, right? Has it been taken? No. This is the new high of the day, 18. It hasn't been taken, but this is the low of the day currently, 21. Which PDRA did we hit? We didn't even sweep liquidity, so there's a possibility that we could go into this fair value gap, because if you take this daily range from here to here, or even if you take from this high to this high, or from this high to this high, this fair value gap looks more appealing to me. Yeah, so this fair value gap, we could go above right here. So basically we could just trade here, and then trade down, maybe doing power speaking, and then tag into that fair value gap, and then we could just do this, and then head higher and break out from these highs right here. So because here is just engineering more liquidity, basically. These two highs right here, these two highs are just engineering more liquidity on the 50%. So engineering more liquidity for higher prices. That's how I look at it. Because we always want to close above the weekly, but right here, look right here, the rejection block just, we always want to close above the retracement high and the wick. So right here, we just wicked into the rejection block. So yeah, this is just my thought process and what I want to see right now. This is just what I want to see. So yeah, I'm really happy that we hit this PDRA, because I've been watching this for over a week. For like over a week, because all of this, I wasn't liking this. I didn't like how price took out this liquidity right here, but I had to just manage. I'm still practicing with DXY, but DXY looks so clean to me lately. Looks so clean. So that's all I have right now. So probably tomorrow I'll be outsway or live training, but this is all I have. And peace.